Hello, in this tutorial video we will show how to open a paper trading account, which is a demo account in which you can basically use fake money to learn how to trade. We will be opening this account in Ameritrade using their Thinkorswim platform. So for that, go to your browser and type thinkorswim.com. Hit enter and it will take you to this page. On the left hand side, you're going to go to where it says Thinkorswim Desktop and you click there. Once you're there, you go down and you find this icon, take a test drive with paper money, and you click there. It's going to ask you if you have an existing TD Ameritrade account. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. If you do, you could still open a paper trade account and try the Grande trades with paper trade account. But let's say you don't, you click in no. It asks you to enter the image text, whatever text you see here. So you enter it. And then it asks you to choose a user ID, whatever user ID, no special characters. Must be between 8 and 15 characters and at least one letter. And I'm just using this as an example. Then it asks you to create a password and to repeat that password. And they must match. Then it's going to ask you for your first name, middle name, last name, your email address, and confirm it. It's going to ask you for your phone number and, depending on the country you are, the different countries. And it's going to ask you for the country you live in and your address. Now here's the important part of it. Those are basic, your information. How many years of trading experience you have, you're going to choose between 1 and 5. And how many times you trade each month, you're going to choose between 10 and 50. What products are you interested in trading? You're going to choose equities, options, and ETFs, which is what we trade at Grande. And then, do you have an existing brokerage account? If you do, you say yes. If you don't, you say no. Either way, it doesn't matter. And you hit submit. And your paper trade account has been created. That's simple. It takes 5 minutes to open a paper trade account. After that, you go to either the App Store, the Apple App Store, or the Google Play Store, and you download the Thinkorswim apps for your devices. Either, if you have an Android device or an Apple device, you choose, and so you download the Thinkorswim app. In my case, I'm an Apple user, so for iPad, for my iPhone, and also the desktop platform, you download it from this same website, thinkorswim.com, that we just used, and you are good to start following Grande's boosts and start paper trading and learning how to trade. Thank you very much.